Hey everyone, it's Jess. I wanted to jump in and show you some more of the private group. I know I've posted about it a couple different times here, and I have let you guys know who follow me on TikTok about it. Just something I've been working on for the past year or so. I've been teaching people how to start their own Airbnb hosting business, how to get property, or even how to make money on Airbnb without owning any property and without having any capital or any upfront investment. So, ever since I started that journey, I get people asking all the time for help, for coaching, for private mentorship, or for a course. So, what I did is basically start a school community. If you don't know what school.com is, it's basically an e learning platform. And prior to this, I had used a Facebook group to basically post content, post my video tutorials, get information out to you guys about Airbnb hosting. However, with Facebook groups comes a lot of spam. So there were a lot of people joining the group that were just trying to basically get spam or, promote their own businesses, which is fine, but not necessarily what the group was for. So, and then as well as with the Facebook group, I couldn't post or I couldn't really give you guys a lot of links or a lot of resources. So it was mostly just video tutorials with a school community. And here I basically call it Host Pro Academy, all about Airbnb hosting. But with the school community, what we're able to do is actually have a discussion board similar to a Facebook group. But this is a private community, so nobody is going to be able to join this that isn't an actual subscriber to this group, right? So it is a little bit more exclusive. There's a community where you guys can post your questions. Obviously, this is a new group, so I've only made 2 posts in here. And then let me go through the tabs up here at the top so you guys are aware of what this group is actually going to be able to provide you. So, like I mentioned, on the Facebook groups, it was very limited as far as what types of resources I could get out to you guys. So, what I did in the classroom, you can actually post or create kind of like course content or little resources. So I created different course content just to help you guys out so that you guys can access it because I get questions about what messaging scripts to use, all types of questions about Airbnb hosting, FAQ questions, super hosting, and legal contracts. So this is stuff that you guys can use, copy and paste method, or edit it as you want. Let me go into some of this just so you can see. So co-host messaging scripts, it's just a document here that you can go, it's a PDF, you can go and download, and it has your messaging scripts right here that you can use if you guys are doing co-hosting in this case. So that's what the classroom is. I'm going to be posting a lot more content. I can post video courses as well, so that's great. And then here we have a calendar. So if I have any Zoom calls, like group or one-on-one Zoom calls or anything like that, more private mentorship, then you'll see that here. In this case, I don't have anything scheduled. Under the members category, you'll be able to see the members in this group. I'm actually not sure if everybody can see this or if it's just me since I am the creator of this group. So I'm not sure if that will be available to you guys or if the members are more private. Leaderboards is basically where you can see, or at least I think everybody can see it, not just me, but you basically get to see who's is being involved, who's engaging, who's more active in the group. So you get points. I don't know if that matters to you guys. Not necessarily for me, but basically you get points for posting, commenting, and engaging. So you kind of move up in the leaderboard, like a real classroom it would be. And then you have your about section. So I put in here exactly what the group is made for and what you'll be able to get out of this group. But that's it, guys. The main feature of this is the classroom feature where I get to post the actual content, actual resources for you guys. So you can go download these, copy, paste, read about it. It's more educational, but it's actual resources that you guys get to download. So keep that in mind. Right now, this group is at $10. So that will be going up. I just want to let you guys know, but just to get some people in the door, especially those of you that have been following for a while or interested in this for a while, I wanted to make sure I gave you guys an opportunity to join this group at a lower price. I will raise it probably in a week or so, but I'm not sure what I'm going to raise it to. Right now, it's at $10. So if you're watching this video and you go click to sign up and it's still $10, then great, you guys got it before it raises up. If not, then that's going to be the price, whatever I decide. So go in there, get in at the $10 price. This is huge. I'll be posting a lot in here. It's just more private mentorship. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Being able to actually produce that course content for you. I think that's going to really be a game changer in what you guys are able to learn and take away from this group. So I'm happy to help. Of course, let me know of any questions that you have in the comments, or once you join the group, you can always post in the community. I would love to get more engagement and actually be able to help you guys more specifically with what you're going through. So jump in, and I will see you guys over at Host Pro Academy.